The Sealey APMS range of modular storage units. The APMS range of units can either be used individually or as a complete garage storage system. The range is comprised of floor, wall and full height units, supplied flat packed for ease of transportation, and requires some simple self-assembly. The range features drawers that run on double ball bearing slides, providing smooth operation. Floor and full height units are supplied with adjustable shelves and adjustable feet for levelling on uneven floors. The floor units are supplied with worktops. Units with doors have magnetic catches, and all doors and drawers are secured with locks, supplied with 2 keys. The Sealey APMS range of modular storage units. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range. Thank you for watching. Check out our website or YouTube channel for other modular storage videos and more product videos too.